Dear students, today we will see the HTML with tables and frames. So how to make table and frames? Let us see. So in HTML we know how to make the web pages on the website. So let us see how to make the table on the website. So let us see what are the basic tags that are used in HTML to make tables. So here you can see some basic tags, and those are written over here. So first of all, table tag. Here you can see the table tag, and second one is tr tag, and third one is td tag. So tr stands for table row and td stands for table definition. Tr is used to make row and td is used to make cell. So here you can see the picture. In this following picture you can see there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so this is first row, this is second row, and this is third row, and this one is first column and this one is second column. So we have to recognize that, we have to see this, that where it is written. So this is first row, this is second row, and this is third row, and from this side if you will see, this is first column and this is second column. So here you can see the name is written in the first row and first column, and age is written in first row second column, and class is written in second row first column, and c is written in second row second column, and in the last row, that is third row, address is written in third row first column, and move means mobile is written in third row and second column. So we have understood this thing through the table. So let us see. Constructing an HTML table consists of describing the table between the beginning table tag. So these tags are used, beginning table tag and ending table tag. So ending table tag you can see over here. Between these tags we then construct each row and each cell in the row. To do this, we would first start the row with the beginning row tag, that is tr, with tr, and then build the row by creating each cell with the beginning cell, that is td tag. After starting td tag, we have to close the td tag, that is td over here. TD stands for table row. So in this way we can make a cell. So in another video I will make another video how to write the code to make the table. So in this video you have to revise this thing, TD, TR and table tag. These are the main tag to create table. So thank you. Wait for next tag.